Alrighty guys, real quick, if you need to change your charcoal canister on your W124, it is located back here. And in order to do that, you're gonna have to lift the car. I recommend you put a jack stand. You don't have to remove the tire. It's a lot easier if you do, but you don't have to remove the tire. And before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, you know what I'm saying? Be a part of being a part, but let's get started. So, first thing you're gonna need is a 10mm. Okay, you're gonna have a few bolts that you need to take off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's one more down here. 6. I may be wrong. Let's start with those. I'm gonna take them off one by one, and I've got to edit this video because I'm recording with the meta glasses, so I'm limited to 3 minutes. But here we go. Okay, next you're gonna grab a 5/16, and you're gonna remove this one. There's another one here at the bottom further back, and then there's one down here. So, where is it? There's the first one. There's the second one. The one with the smaller washer goes here. Okay, we're gonna remove those. And once we remove those, we're gonna pull off this entire mud guard. There's a gasket in here, a rubber gasket. You can actually see it kind of right here. That goes attached to the mud flap, and then this goes inside. Okay, it slides in here, so there should be nothing on the exterior. A little tricky, you got to pull this out and slide it out, but that's how you do it. So, all right, so you're gonna have your screw here. Your other screw is gonna be somewhere up here where it was originally. Sorry, should have made this before I pulled it off. But yeah, you're gonna pull this off. Now that we have the screws off, and there's the gasket I was telling you. Pull, pull, pull. This will all come out. Push forward a little. Might have to yank it a little. Oh, careful there. Really. It's literally right there, but it's a lot easier to pull this off. So let me get it off. I had to kind of pull this back a little gently, kind of push and wiggle it, but it does pop out of place. It just has to slide in between this and this. A little tricky, but I got it. So charcoal canister is in here. Okay, here's the difference. The old one has these grooves. It sits in there like this. You slide it up and it'll pop out of place. It's probably been sitting in there for years, so you're gonna have to push really hard. I tried to push, couldn't get it off, tried to rip one of the hoses off, and that's actually how I got it. It popped all out of place. So, and my new one is from a 190. So as you can see, there go the grooves right here. But the one that I got for a 190, because it's the only thing available, has like a bracket here that you can see. So I screwed the bracket onto one of these holes, and it's held fine in place, but I'm having an issue where I'm getting raw gas into the charcoal canister, and I know that because this one has raw gas. This new one, when I turn the car off after a few minutes, if the car has more than half a gas tank, it's an insane smell of gas. And with this one, it sputters and it stalls. It hasn't done it with this, but I'm assuming because I hadn't driven it enough or choked this one enough. So I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna blow some air through the lines, see if there's something clogged along the way. That's not the point. It's not clogged. Something inside of my tank, in my opinion, whether a vent tube, it's not the check valve under the car, I've already done that, but something is allowing raw gas to go down all the way up to here. And the other day I had this hose disconnected like this on accident, and raw gas was spilling down here, and I had a puddle here. So I'm gonna figure this out, but that's how you get your charcoal canister out. Like I said, mine is screwed on. This one, you just pop it out. Just make sure your lines are here. There's one that goes to your solenoid, one that goes up here, and this one goes back here to one of your fuel lines. But hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. And I got my new charcoal canister. This is the old one. I got this from ECS Tuning. They actually had one. It's the same size, same fitting, same everything, just a different bracket in the back. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.